Hello, my name is Juan Ángel Moreno Ramirez. I am single, I am from Colombia, I am 21 years old, I am a psychology study at the UNAD, I live in La Dorada Caldas, and in my free time, I like to do exercise and often playing video games. The main study places of La Dorada are: first of all, we have the Pescado Park. There are many trees. It also has recreation games, but they are not always available. Then we have the park. There are the paintball game and animal statues too. The typical food of my city is sancocho, beef and arepa too. Finally, in the port there is a seafood restaurant. The many celebrations in my city are usually the carnival of the river and the sun. People do cultural activities such as dancing and dressing up in honor of the river and the sun. In my city, I get off the jet for a tour of the Magdalena River. I can also go to the water park. The water park El Cortijo. They are the highest slides and there is also a wave pool. Thank you.